In this video, we will learn how to plant pepper plants in a way that ensures they grow strong, healthy, and produce a great number of fruits. By preparing the soil properly and using natural fertilizers, we can boost their growth and maximize harvest. Stay tuned to learn the best method for giving your pepper plants the perfect start. To begin, the raised garden bed needs to be prepared so that the soil is rich and full of nutrients. The first step is to clean the bed by removing old vegetables, weeds, and any unwanted plants. If some vegetables are still good, they can be kept aside for use, but if they are spoiled, overripe, or damaged, they must be chopped into small pieces along with any removed leaves. After clearing the bed, a trench is dug long enough to hold all the organic material. The depth should be sufficient to completely bury the chopped vegetables, leaves, and kitchen waste. If needed, smaller holes can be dug instead, but for larger beds, a trench works best as it allows for even distribution of nutrients. Once the trench is ready, all the chopped vegetable scraps, leaves, and kitchen waste are placed inside. These organic materials contain valuable nutrients that will improve the soil as they break down. As decomposition starts, beneficial microbes multiply, breaking down the waste and making nutrients more available to plants. To enhance this process, a layer of vermicompost is added over the organic waste. Vermicompost, created by earthworms, is one of the best natural fertilizers available. It is packed with beneficial microorganisms, enzymes, and nutrients that make the soil more fertile. Next, a thin layer of mustard cake fertilizer is sprinkled over the vermicompost. Mustard cake, made from mustard seeds after oil extraction, is an excellent natural fertilizer that contains important nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Nitrogen helps plants grow lush green leaves, phosphorus supports strong root development, and potassium improves plant health and resistance to diseases. Once everything is in place, the trench is covered with the same soil that was removed earlier. This step is necessary to trap moisture, prevent bad smells, and protect the beneficial microbes and earthworms underneath. After leveling the soil properly, water is added generously. Watering is very important because it activates microbial activity, speeding up the decomposition of the buried organic matter. After a few days, when the materials have started breaking down, a layer of compost or well-rotted manure is added on top of the soil. This extra layer further improves soil fertility by adding more nutrients. Compost and manure not only provide essential minerals, but also improve soil structure, making it softer and more capable of holding moisture. They also introduce beneficial microbes that continue to break down organic matter, keeping the soil rich and active. This final step ensures that the raised bed is now fully prepared for planting and ready to support healthy plant growth. Now that the soil is well prepared, it is time to plant hot pepper plants. These pepper plants are not very big yet, but the outdoor weather is warm enough for them to be transplanted safely. Carefully, the plants are removed from the seed tray without damaging their delicate roots. Each plant is placed into the soil with a spacing of about 8 to 10 inches between them. This spacing allows the plants to have enough room to grow without competing for nutrients, sunlight, and air circulation. Keeping the right distance between plants helps prevent diseases and ensures that each plant gets the best conditions for healthy growth. After planting, the young pepper plants are given a very diluted version of weed liquid fertilizer. This fertilizer was made a few days ago using a natural process, and it is excellent for providing nutrients to new plants. The diluted fertilizer gives them a gentle nutrient boost without overwhelming their young roots. It contains essential minerals that encourage strong root growth and overall plant health. This method ensures that the plants receive a slow and steady supply of nutrients, helping them establish themselves in the new bed. For those who want to learn how to make this powerful weed liquid fertilizer, a complete tutorial is available on our channel. It is an easy and effective way to recycle garden weeds into a nutritious fertilizer for plants.